In this video, I will show you how to add a filter to a dashboard in Tableau. First, go to your Tableau site and log in your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your main dashboard. In here, on the left side is the list of your menu. Let's select Salesforce and click on it. In the pop-up, you have a Use Dashboard button. Click on it. You can now customize it depending on how you want your dashboard to appear. Once done, just click on Create Workbook. You will then be redirected to another tab with the dashboard you created. Then, on the left side is your menu list. Click on Add Filter. You will now be redirected to the filter board. Here you have a variety of options for customizing it, such as selecting the type of data, categories, or metrics you want to display. Once you've made your adjustments, you can apply it and see how it updates your dashboard in real time. And that's how to add a filter to a dashboard in Tableau.